Hey guys, this is my, I don't know how much videos I have. I actually don't check my account. But I am gonna give you a tour of our house now that we just renovated. Last time I did this, it was before the renovations. And so I'll show you the backyard first. And it's not much. My dad's trying to build a deck. I'm just gonna peek out here like that. He's trying to build a deck. But yeah, it's really messy, so it's just, oh my god, it's cold. Cowabunga, it's cold. So I'm surprised this is actually holding me. Oh, this is sketchy. Sketchy AF. Yeah. So it's not done, but I'm shivering, so I'm gonna just get back inside right now.
Subscribe to Preston Plays and Unspeakable Gaming.
What did I just witness? So this is the new couch. It's a little messy. Where's the light switch? Oh, here it is. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I like to do that. So this is our new couch. You can hold this, and it just comes up like that. So it's an electric couch. Then we have this couch. It's huge. So I'll show you the kitchen. The kitchen is technically still the same. The kitchen's the same, isn't it?
No.
So
Subscribe to Unspeakable Gaming and Preston's Plays.
don't.
Yes.
Oh, he's popping popcorn, but
To watch an amazing Preston Plays video. And never subscribe to this dirty video.
you didn't. Well, this is, we put a TV up in here. No wonder. And a lot of extra toys I don't use. Front yard looking new. Trailer. Okay. Why do you have so many pictures? Like, why? I bet if I can count, there's more me. Actually, there's more cousin and family than me and my brother. Harsh. Okay. So my dad painted all here blue. And up here, oh, we also got new carpet. And then come here, we got new liner. Parents' bedroom updated. Put a walk-in closet in. Yeah, nice walk-in closet. It's so new that it literally hasn't even been opened, so bathroom, purple bathroom. This is the one that doesn't like this video. This is my brother's bedroom. It's messy. This is our bathroom. Oh yeah. Whatever, what was I just doing? Meow meow. My puppy doggy. My puppy doggy. Want tummy rub? You're cute. What you doing? Meow meow. Book. So my bed's not made. I usually never make my bed. I'm just really tired today. Desk is a mess. Closet. Oh yeah, that's my bedroom. New house. New chandelier. New that, yeah. So yeah.